First things first, today is officially Lā Hoʻihoʻi Ea, Sovereignty Restoration Day. This being the 181st anniversary of this historic day and recognized holiday.
Wow.
Yeah, just a little history on this day. In 1843, under the leadership of Kamehameha III, Kauikeaouli, the Hawaiian Kingdom was restored back to its rightful citizens after a brief seizure by a British lord and his followers. England's Queen Victoria then sent Admiral Richard Thomas to Hawaii to put things right. It was at that reclamation ceremony held in the place that we now know as Thomas Square in Honolulu that Kauikeaouli proclaimed "Ua mau ke ea o ka ʻaina i ka pono," the sovereignty of the Hawaiian nation is restored by righteousness or by justice.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, each year, two people are honored, one living and one who has crossed the veil, for their work in preserving Hawaiian culture, language, music, and identity. At this past weekend's festivities, Sparky Rodriguez and his wahine, the late Leandra Wai, were honored for their work in the restoration and cultural access of Makua Valley, which Uncle Sparky continues to do through Malama Makua. And tonight, celebrations continue at Bishop Museum. Displays, activities, mea'ai from Haliki Aloha, entertainment by Hole, and more. Although registration is at capacity, the museum has said that they have no plans to turn anyone away, any guests away at the door.
That is so awesome.
Yeah, so aloha Lā Hoʻihoʻi Ea. And now, speaking of royalty, would you like to be a king?
Oh,
Or
only if my wife would let me.
Or maybe a young prince.
Oh.
Or maybe a princess. It can happen, yes. There are openings for the Aloha Festival's Royal Court, that is. Applications are open for all positions, but you gotta hurry up because deadline is August 15th.
Nice, I'm gonna apply. Which one though?
Dun, dun, dun.
I know you have your ideas, but keep it to yourself.
I just play. And how good you looking with Malo? Wow. Okay.
Not very.
And finally, she was just recently in Hawaii, and now she's going back to where it all began. Carrie Underwood is going back to American Idol. According to a source, the Grammy-winning country singer will be a judge on the 23rd season of American Idol, replacing singer Katy Perry, who left after serving as a judge for 7 seasons. The source added that Lionel Richie and Luke Bryan are both returning to the singing competition. Now, Underwood's career, of course, rocketed upward after she was crowned the winner of American Idol's 4th season. So this is 20 seasons later.
And that was ages ago.
I know. I'm kind of excited for that.
I am too. You know, the thing I liked about the trio, Katie, Luke, and Lionel was that was a dynamic trio. I love them. Katie was just so sassy, but insightful as well. So it's good that we're gonna maybe perhaps see a different side of Carrie Underwood. Hopefully she has those kinds of quips, and obviously she has incredible advice that she can impart on the contestants, because for her, I mean, I know she was the 3rd season, right? Or was it 4th season?
4th season.
Yeah, 4th season. So, and you just said that, sorry. You know, even though Kelly Clarkson was the first one, Carrie Underwood is still the best-selling American Idol ever.
Yes, absolutely.
Because
but she's still touring, you know?
Yeah.
She's still out there. Of course, like I said, she was here in Hawaii, so super excited.
Yeah, when does that kick off? In September? The fall?
I want to say coming up this fall.
You know what we should do? We should have like one special American Idol correspondent spend time with us, and we can dish on the show.
I already got you on that one. I have a correspondent that may be joining us.
Oh, okay, good. All right, Lina Girl, get that ready. In the meantime,